Hi everyone, here we've got WIEPPO S5 and let me show you how to enable Talkback Mode on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps. Let's scroll down and find the settings. Here let's go to the system and find accessibility. And as you can see, on the very first position we've got the talkback, so let's tap on it. If you want to customize it, simply tap on the settings right here, and as you can see here you can customize some, for example, vibration feedback or a single tap activation if you want. Let's get back, and in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right next to it. Now your device is telling you that the talkback needs to observe your actions, retrieve window content, turn on Explore by touch, observe text you type, and control display magnification. Let's click on OK. Now it is on and we will hear it just in a second. Now let me show you how to navigate with that mode on. If you want to get back to the previous menu and choose something, for example this back button, let's tap on it. You will see a green frame, and now you have to double tap to activate that button and get back to accessibility settings. Now let me show you how to swipe. We have to use two fingers. Let's put one finger on the screen and the second one, and thanks to the second one we can swipe freely. Now let me show you how to turn off the talkback. Simply tap on the talkback, green frame, double tap, tap on the switcher right here, double tap again, click on OK, double tap, and as you can see the talkback is off. So that's all. This is how to enable Talkback Mode in your WIEPPO S5. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.